Hey guys, I'm Randy. This is Sho-Me Tint. I'm going to show you what's going on in the shop. So we've got a little bit of something very patriotic going on. If you like America, you're on the right channel, just so you know. I love America too. Not as much as this guy. Check this out. You ever have an eagle on your hood? If you have an eagle on your hood, comment on here, please. I'd like to see that. You can really see that he loves America. Look at that. Can you imagine? What would be more patriotic than that? I would say 50 presidents. No, it's 47 presidents. How many is it? 46. 46 presidents. Come here, I'll show you. This guy had me put all of them on here. You'd think I'd know how many. Look. All of them right here. Is one missing? You'll have to look closely to tell, honestly. They're all color labeled for all your political beliefs and views. I really don't do a lot of that, obviously, but I can put it on your car, your truck, whatever you like. I can put it on there. But we made this thing, this flag in here. I like the flag. The presidents are cool, but I don't know if I could rock it or not. This guy's got some big beliefs, we'll say. Also, we're doing this color swap on a Mercedes over here. This is actually really cool. So this is something I could rock, or I would rock. I almost slipped to my death right there. Anyway, this is called a khaki green. So this is super cool. This is very hip. All the colors are kind of going to these flat gloss. I like these a lot. They're coming out factory, these colors, but if it didn't come factory, we can make it that color. If you like it, we can do it. So if you like this, subscribe, like, comment, let us know. This is a new Mercedes SUV. It's pretty dope, really, but white's boring, khaki green is cool. You should already know that. So we're gonna wrap it up for you. We'll show you some cool stuff as we do it. Something like this, we plan for about a week. You know, this material, the Enzotech, we plan a little longer. It's harder to work with, so we plan more labor to do the installation. We do a lot more disassembly. When the color's white, we have to hide a lot more of the color. So there's more work involved. Let me try to show you, the jams is what we call that. In between here, see how you can't see back in there and see the color's white? We do more disassembly. We took this trim piece off. There's this thing in here. It's like this. It kind of sits there like that. Hides all that. We have to take all that off without breaking it, because when we break stuff, as I told you, customers hate that. They hate it, you know. If you've ever known I've ever broke something, you know, I had to fix it and buy a new one, and that sucks too. So we're not trying to do that. But this should go back together pretty easy. We're getting pretty good at it. This, I think we're probably gonna do black badges. We're gonna do like a black roof. I can't wait to do it. Look right here. He never cleaned underneath the skid plate. How many of you guys are cleaning underneath there? That's horrible. Yeah. We'll clean it. Bring it over. We'll clean it over. We'll vacuum it out. Tell me you saw it on here. I'll have my guy do it tomorrow. Come over. We'll do it. All right, let's check it out. What else we got to check out? Some more stuff? Are we done for the day or what? We're doing some paint protection still. We're doing that X5. Oh, I almost forgot. This is actually in here. I almost forgot to tell you why. We've already done paint protection on the front clip, which is the full hood, full fenders. He likes it over his stickers because it makes his stickers pop. I swear he spends money on paint protection just to make his stickers glossy. And I like it. He's a crazy old man, but he's a lot of fun. But he says, Randy, he says, I got a problem with a cat in my neighborhood and it keeps getting on my roof. He said, could you put some film up there, keep that cat from getting up there? And I said, absolutely, dude, bring it over here. He said, you won't ever get scratched? And I said, no, not unless the cat's like a saber-toothed tiger. And he's like, all right, I'll bring it in. So he's out there delivering America's goods and services in his semi-truck, and we're here wrapping his roof in paint protection film. So we'll be happy to help you with anything you got. Just hit us up. See you guys later. Thanks.